Hello, everyone. So, how many of you have started your day staring at an inbox of 10, 20, 30, 50, even 100 emails, all of them unread, waiting for your attention? And that is just the beginning. Add in back to back meetings, and you're spending more time managing information than actually getting work done. The average professional receives around 100 emails per day and spends around 23 hours per week in meetings. That's nearly 3 full work days just managing information. The result? Missed action items, forgotten decisions, and a direct productivity loss of around $2,000 per employee annually. Today, I'm going to show you how to reclaim more than 2 hours of productivity every day with our AI powered email and meeting summarization application. The problem at hand is that we are drowning in digital noise. Every day, we face around 100 emails, causing constant context switching, around 23 hours per week in meetings with unclear outcomes, lost action items, and missed deadlines. This isn't just about time, it's about money, missed opportunities, and team efficiency. We're spending more time managing work than doing work. So, I want you to meet our email and meeting summarizer application, your one click AI assistant that transforms information overload into actionable insights. So, no redundancy, no clutter. We have four simple buttons. That's all you need. One click transforms hours of reading into minutes of actionable insights. No complex workflows, nothing new to learn, no learning curve, just results. Instant summaries that transform hours into minutes, smart email analysis for yesterday's emails and today's unread emails, meeting intelligence for yesterday's as well as the upcoming meetings you might have, and highlighted action items with source links for quick access. So, we have designed this interface for simplicity. Each button delivers exactly what you need and when you need it. No complex menus, no confusing options, just four buttons that do exactly what they say. Let me introduce you to the application. So, getting started is incredibly simple. Just click sign in with Google and you're ready to go. The app uses Google's OAuth for secure authentication, so your data stays safe and you don't need to remember just another password. Once you're logged into the application, you see this clean professional interface. No clutter, no confusion, just like I said, the tools you need to stay on top of your work, and those tools only. Let's start with yesterday's emails. I'll click this button and we will see the magic happen. So the AI has provided, it has analyzed and provided all of yesterday's emails and provided me with a comprehensive summary. Look at this. It's identified action items, key decisions, and also any urgent matters that need my attention. If I need more detail, I can click this source link and directly go to the original email. Now let's check today's unread emails if I have any. Okay, look at this. The AI has identified all the emails. Any emails that require immediate attention and the urgent items. Looks like I need to have a client meeting rescheduled as soon as possible. So, apart from this email summaries feature, we also have this meeting summaries feature. Like, this is incredibly valuable. So, instead of just trying to um, remember what was decided in each meeting, I just have a clear record now of all decisions and follow ups. So, if I click on yesterday's meetings, I get the follow ups, the key participants of those meetings, the key decisions taken, the action items, all of those. So I do not have to remember what happened. I have a clear record of all decisions, and The app also correctly identifies if I need to take any actions. Let's talk numbers. This app saves me at least 2 hours per day. That's 10 hours per week, 40 hours per month. At the hourly rate, that's over $2,400 in annual productivity gains. But it's not just about time, it's about quality. I'm more responsive to stakeholders, I never miss important action items, and I can make better decisions because I have complete visibility into all my communications. And when you scale this across a team, the benefits multiply: better meeting outcomes, faster decision making, and improved accountability across the organization. From a technical perspective, our app is built on these basic but solid foundations. It integrates with Google Workspace, uses Google's Gemini AI for intelligent analysis, and maintains enterprise grade security with OAuth authentication. We can also use local Llama models instead of integrating the Gemini API. So your data stays secure. We only read your emails and calendar. We never modify anything, and everything is processed locally on your machine. It's GDPR compliant and follows all security best practices. This is just the beginning. We can also build a comprehensive productivity ecosystem around this app that will transform how you manage all your communication. We can have automatic email segmentation for smart categorization, advanced filters with custom rules to sort through the emails or the AI generated summary. We can also integrate AI to generate your responses for you. So you only have to reply manually to the important ones. We can include automatic forwarding based on the content of the email, automatic attachment downloads with organized file management, and an analytics dashboard for productivity insights. We are not just building a tool, we are creating a complete productivity transformation platform. So if you are ready to transform your productivity, we can deploy this app for you in under an hour and you'll see immediate results. Or we can customize it to your use case. You can get started by scheduling a demo to see it in action with your team's real world scenarios. You can get a pilot program to see and experience the productivity gains firsthand, then receive a custom implementation plan tailored to your organization, and then deploy with full support. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.